Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Acura RDX 2008. This car here. We start this car and we have a problem with it's not charging. And if you notice here in this car, we have like four wires. Let me show you. Okay, we have white and blue, white and green, and white and red, black and yellow. 4 wires. Connect the 4 wires. And then we have full power. This alternator is new. Okay. All the white and green, blue and red are coming to the engine computer there. That's the engine computer. They're coming to the engine computer. The black and yellow is coming from the fuse. I believe one of the fuses is supposed to be here. I'm not sure, but it's supposed to be. Let me see. I have wiring diagram. Okay, this is the wiring diagram. You see? This is the alternator. This is the 3 wire. White green, white red, white blue. They're coming from the engine computer. And from the engine computer there is another wire going to ELD unit. ELD unit is inside this fuse box. ELD unit, I believe, is something, maybe it's a little computer that mounted somewhere here. It could be this piece here. It could be something, but it's the ELD unit. It's like a small computer. And that from that computer, and also you need to get one fuse that's supposed to be here. Okay, this ELD unit, that I have a ground. It have power coming from this fuse, 100 amp fuse, big fuse. Power. I don't know if there is power here, but it have fuse number 3 under dash fuse that's coming here, and this fuse is going all the way to the alternator, which is a black and yellow. Black and yellow, we know that I already show you there. Black and yellow is coming to the alternator. We have full power from the battery, 100 amps, and that going to the alternator. So alternator have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires. Full power, ignition wire, communication between the alternator itself, voltage regulator. This is coming inside the voltage regulator from this is the alternator to the engine computer. From the engine computer we have ELD unit, which is taking power from the same place, and it will make the computer work to send information, turn the light off, and so on. This is a wiring diagram, I believe, from Aldara, the Aldara repair. You need to have Aldara to work on some cars. This car has a turbocharger. We found that there is no power coming here. They change the alternator. Man, these people, they make this alternator cable very tight, but it's okay. I'm going now to start the car. Okay. Take the ignition. Battery sign is there. Car is running, no checking the light. Charging supposed to be 14 or 13 point something. Charging system. 1.5, which is very good. Hey, how are you? And we found that there is one feed. This alternator have 4 wires. 3 of them coming here, 1 of them going here, and 1 of them coming from under the dashboard.
Okay.
One ignition fuse that coming to the alternator. So that fuse is blown. Yeah, so after we put the ignition fuse, we check it out.
Yeah, bolt it down.
14 point.
There you go.
Yeah, but don't forget that this one also is connected. So, we good to go. Yeah, thank you. This time, man. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So everything is good now. Ahmed, this car has a turbo. By the way, it have batteries here, so we just eliminate the battery. And instead of putting battery, we just put telephone charger. We connect the wire from there, and now I don't need to change any battery. Yeah, I have full power all the time. Hopefully we understand how this alternator works and how the wire is. To work on that, you have to, after you finish, don't forget to put this one back in a place. You have a connector here. Have a place where you sit there. You need to put this one here correctly. Be sure that no wire is touching any place to create problem. Like this one here. You see this? It's supposed to be here. There is a leak there. Try to fix it. Yeah, take all this on me. I just want Lou to put this one back. Set up the other stuff on this car. What Lou doing now?
Eating.
Okay. You tell him we need a battery, right? Huh? Yeah, so you can charge it main wire, right? Acura 2008 Acura RDX. You want to disconnect all this? This car here is very good. Everything look okay now. I just want to be sure if the headlight is working. By the way, before this car is not charging. Okay, everything looks good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.